make businesses look as good as they actually are. In the next 10 minutes, I want to show you what professional design actually does for business, and by the end, what exactly a referral partner sounds like to me. So, a quick question to start with. Think about the last time you needed a supplier you've never used before. A plumber, an attorney, a printer. What is the first thing you did? You looked them up before you even read a single word. You already decided how you felt based on how they were represented visually. Professional or not, trustworthy or risky. And there's a number behind that moment. 94%. 94% of first impressions come down to design, not what you say, but how you look. Everything I'm about to show you flows from that one fact. So firstly, who are we? So Lato was founded in 2024. We're based in London. Levita is our co-founder and creative lead. She shapes every brand we build from first mark to full system. I run operations so every project stays on track and every client stays in the loop. We're recently a partnership with WBS Creative for our website. So Mr. Mull over there. Great. And of course we have Daniel, who runs our division. So a small senior team, nothing gets lost in handles. So, a logo is not a brand. A logo is your front door. Okay? The brand is the system behind it. Colors, typefaces, usage rules, and templates. Your own mark, well, our own mark, sorry, not yours. Our own mark is two butterfly wings facing each other. It is representing the butterfly effect of what good design actually does for a company. But even a mark with a story is still just one mark. It's about the system around it, what keeps you consistent everywhere. Everywhere you show up, and consistency reads as established. As you can see over here, there's some examples of our branding on different items. So, some great brand stories. None of what I said previously is just theory. These are the biggest brands on earth. So let's look at Nike. The Nike swoosh was sketched in 1971 by a design student, Caroline Davidson. She charged only $35. Phil Knight said, I don't love it, but maybe it'll grow on me. 50 years of consistency later, it's priceless. FedEx, 1994. Hands up, who's ever noticed the arrow between the E and the X?
Only because it
Everyone's got
was
a
shared
good
on
idea, I guess.
Everyone's YouTube videos.
Yeah. Once you see it, you cannot unsee it.
Yeah.
Your brain saw it before you did. That's design working where nobody points. And of course, Coca-Cola. That script was written in 1886 by their book. And it's barely changed in 140 years. They never chase trends, that's why the whole world recognizes them. None of these are accidents, they are design decisions, repeated until the world knew them. But now, where does design go wrong? I mean, I'm sure we all know what happened with Twitter, but I'm going to go over that story. So with Twitter, 2023, Elon Musk renamed one of the biggest and recognized brands on earth overnight. And the value collapsed from $5.7 billion to under 700 million.
Oh, wow.
You know, the word tweet was actually in the dictionary. And years on, most people still call it Twitter. And Gap, their new logo goes live. Customers revolt. And it's scrapped in 6 days. Decades of recognition live inside this little blue box. And of course, for the car lovers out there, Jaguar. 2024. I'm sure everyone remembers this. 90 years of the leaping cat, benched overnight, and the rebrand film never even had any cars in it. The whole incident was probably just asking one question: do you still sell cars? Your business is your look is a business asset. Handle it professionally.
Wow.
So 2 ways a business can look. Here's the difference side by side. This is one business pieced together. A logo from one place, packaging from another, website from another. It doesn't flow together. It doesn't create recognizability. But now, if we look at this side, the later way, as I like to call it, It's consistent, memorable, and built to grow. Over all platforms, your brand is consistent. And clients trust the business that looks like the real thing. That's what design allows you. So, a brand identity project. What does that actually look like to buy? This is the first offering, a once-off identity project. We're building a brand from scratch or lifting the one you already have. You get a logo, primary colors, brand guidelines, complete CR pack, social profile kits, letterheads, and so forth. So the system in our business is as follows. So as you know, when you refer people to us, we have a proper system in place to make sure we meet your client's needs. So let's go over it. We have a discovery call with the client. Based on that discovery call, we take that and we interpret it into 2 to 3 different mock-ups for them, which is what we design. From that, we send it through to the client, and from that, they give us a little bit more direction, and then we refine based on those mock-ups, which is then where we deliver. A project can take a couple of weeks, so I don't want clients, in all honesty, to be like, guys, I need this tomorrow, or 2 to 3 days, but I'll move on to the referral section just now. But now, where our gravy is really at, but our most exciting offering, should I say, is design on retainer. Think of it as a full graphic design studio on tap. Every month without hiring anyone in-house. You brief us, we design, you stay consistent everywhere. It covers everything you put out, your sales documents, proposals, quotes, pricing, PDFs, social content, you name it, we'll design it. Monthly designs planned around your calendar. And full WhatsApp kits from status graphics to your catalog. One monthly partner on hand, or like an in-house designer without any overhead. So here's some examples of some brands we've worked with, from creating social media templates for them, the redraws, actually building their brand up. These are, we couldn't put all of them on here, but these are just a select few, as you can see. So yeah, real work, real range. This is what we do every single week. So now let's get to the part where this whole talk really exists, guys. Who do you send my way? Referrals hide inside sentences. Nobody walks up to you and says, I need a graphic designer. They say one of these 4 things. I've just started a business. That person needs a credible brand from day one. My logo looks dated. That's a refresh that modernizes the face and keeps the equity. We look different everywhere. The website says one thing, the socials say another, the quote looks homemade. That's one identity applied everywhere. I always need design done. That's someone drowning in design requests who can't justify full-time hire. That's a retainer. Our studio, to have our studio on hand every month. Those 4 sentences, that's the whole skill. And here's the biggest part. You never have to sell anything. You don't have to explain design. You just have to say, I know a studio that will fit your needs. Let me connect you. That's it. That is the referral we're looking for. So, when you make, a lot of us still haven't had one-to-ones, which we still do, but please refer us with confidence. When you make introduction, we understand your name is attached to it. Okay, so here's what stands behind it. We're a real registered independent South African studio, not a side project, not freelancers. We're B&R members ourselves, so we live by the same referral standards as you do. Graphic design is our seat because it's the craft we're best at. And every referral is looked after personally and kept in the loop. You'll never wonder what happened to your introduction. And then yeah, let's build something worth referring. I'll put a QR code if you guys wouldn't mind scanning to save our business WhatsApp. And if you ever have someone to refer us to, yeah, we have our business WhatsApp on hand. Thank you. It's open letters. Nice.